Okay, let's take a look at these problems. Number 17. And let me get this fixed. Okay. Complete the table assuming continuously compounded interest. So that's A is equal to PE to the RT power. And it says time to double, amount after 10 years, what they do give us. So time to double is 15 years, amount after 10 years is 1900. So our ending amount is 1900. And time to double, if that's 1900 and we doubled our value, then our beginning would be 1900 divided by 2, whatever that is. 1900 divided by 2, 950. So P is 950. E, and then time is 15 years, so R times 15. Okay, so I'll divide both sides by 950. When I do that, that gives us 2 equals e to the 15r. We'll take natural log of both sides, so we got natural log of 2 is equal to natural log of e to the 15r power. Now natural log and e are going to cancel each other. So we got natural log of 2 equals 15r, excuse me. And then I'll divide both sides by 15. So we got natural log of 2 divided by 15 is going to give us our r. So natural log of 2 divided by 15, 0.046, 2098, 12 equals r. Now this wants it in percent form, rounded to 2 decimal places. So what I would use, percent form, you have to move your decimal point 2 places to the right. So this would be 4.62% would be our answer. Now that we know r, then to find our initial investment, that would have been this 950. So we actually have both of our answers on that problem. Okay, so next one was 21. It says determine the time necessary for P dollars to double when it's invested at an interest rate R compounded annually, monthly, daily, and continuously. Now it's really easiest on this if we go ahead and solve it, and then it says determine time necessary. So we want to find out what t is. Now time to double. If this is p, then this will be 2p. Because if this is 1,000, double that is 2 times 1,000. 1 plus r over n to the nt power. Now I'm going to divide both sides by p. And you get 2 is equal to 1 plus r over n to the nt power. Take natural log of both sides. So we got natural log of 2 is equal to natural log of 1 plus r over n to the nt power. I'm going to take this nt and put it on front of my log. That's one of our log properties. And now we're wanting to solve for t. So we're going to divide both sides by what's in front of the t and after the t. So divide both sides by n, natural log of 1 plus r over n. Those n's cancel, these natural logs cancel. You got t is equal to natural log of 2 over n natural log of 1 plus r over n. So, I won't do all these, but just to give you an example. It says annually. What that means is n is going to equal to 1. N is the number of times compounded per year. And r is 10%. So we're going to have natural log of 2 over 1 times natural log of 1 plus 10%, so that's 0.10, divided by n, which is 1. I would recommend doing each one of these separately on your calculator. It gets kind of tricky to put these in your calculator. Not careful with the parentheses. Natural log of 2, 0.693, 147, 1806. And then the bottom part, 1 times, and I know 1 doesn't actually do anything, natural log of 1 plus 0.10 divided by 1, closing parentheses, and then press enter. 0.09 53. You should never round in the middle of a problem. 1798. So then, let me see, 0.693 147 1806 divided by 0.09 531 01 798, assuming I typed all the numbers in right. 2 decimal places would be 7.27. Let's see if that's right. 2 decimal places? Yeah, 2 decimal places. Now you do the same thing with monthly, but n would be 12. So where the n is here, you put a 12. For the daily, n would be 365. So where the n is, you put 365. But other than that, you do it the exact same way. You can use this existing formula, so you don't have to keep deriving it each time on these problems. Now our compounded continuously, our PERT formula. Same idea, put 2p in for the a, and I got 2p is equal to p e to the rt. Divide both sides by p, and you get 2 is equal to e to the rt power. Take natural log of both sides, so natural log of 2 is equal to natural log of e to the rt. Natural log and e cancel, and that gives us rt. and then divide both sides by r, and you get natural log of 2 divided by r is equal to t. So this last one, it says continuous. Well, that's r is 10%. So we're going to have natural log of 2 divided by 10%, and that'll give us our t. And again, plug it in your calculator just like we demonstrated here, and that'll give you your answer. Now number 22 is another one that's the same way. You can use the same formulas. When I say the same formulas, I'm talking about this one I put the box around and this one I put in the box around. Let me see, 23. The triple. Okay. Well, what it's talking about with the tripling is for the tripling formula, this one would be natural log of 3 divided by r. So that's your tripling formula. For this one, your tripling formula would be natural log of 3 divided by n, natural log of 1 plus r over n equals t. So those would be our formulas for the tripling. 25. dollars invested over a 10-year period. Then the balance A, where T represents the time in years, is given by this formula here, or A is equal to this. 10%, graph each function in the same set of axes. Don't worry about this one. This is the greatest integer function, but to be honest, I don't know how to do that on Desmos website I've been pointing to. Yeah, so don't worry about this one. It won't be on the quiz.